Here's a fun one. The moon is an artificial alien-made structure. Look up tonight, that tidy silver coin we've all stared at since childhood. What if it's not the gentle guardian of tides and poetry we think it is? What if it's a planet-sized piece of tech, parked there on purpose, by something that isn't from around here? And what if every space agency on Earth already knew? Here's a fun one. The moon is 400 times smaller than the sun and 400 times closer to us. Bingo. Perfect eclipses. Every other moon in the solar system just can't pull that off. Astronomers shrug and call it coincidence. When numbers line up like that, nature usually isn't rolling dice. Somebody's setting the table. November 20th, 1969, Apollo 12 drops its 2.5-ton ascent stage onto the lunar surface. NASA expected a dull thud. Instead, the moon rang like a gong for almost an hour. Seismographs scribbled off the charts. The official report calls it unexpected resonance. Engineers whispered a simpler word, bell, and bells, they're usually hollow. The moon's average density is 3.34 grams per cubic centimetre. Earth's is 5.52. That's a canyon-sized gap. Try as they might, geologists can't squeeze that difference out of a shared origin story unless large chunks of the interior aren't rock at all, unless the moon is a cavity wrapped in an alloy shell wearing a dusty disguise. Natural satellites drift, inward they crash, outward they escape. The moon just doesn't. It creeps away at a lazy 3.8 centimetres per year. So stable it feels like station keeping. Add a near perfect circular orbit and what you've got looks less like gravity and more like autopilot. Tidal locking happens, sure, but the moon's lock is absolute. We see exactly 59%, never the far side. Russian astrophysicist Iosif Shklovsky once muttered it was too convenient, as if someone wanted that far hemisphere permanently hidden. Convenient for whom? Good question. Apollo sensors logged over 12,000 moonquakes. Some hit magnitude 5.5. Shockwaves raced outward. Apollo sensors logged over 12,000 moonquakes. Some hit magnitude 5.5. Shockwaves raced outward, then bounced back as if they'd struck an inner wall. On Earth, that only happens when waves hit a core mantle boundary.